Hey guys, Amelia here with Mom Reviews, and today I am here to talk about some cleaning home products that will make your home fresh and clean this spring. So, I want to thank Toppin for sponsoring today's video and sending me these two amazing products to try and review and put to the test. So let's jump right into it. We'll start with the steam mop. So they sent me this steam mop to test and try. It is super lightweight. I love that it comes with two cleaning pads. So one I've already attached. They have an extra one. They are machine washable, so you just throw them in the wash and reuse them, which is so cool. And then it actually comes with a carpet attachment. So you can actually take this, attach it right on here, and it becomes a carpet steam mop. So that's pretty cool too. I love that I can literally go from my kitchen to my carpet in one swoop, just attach that, and I can get my carpets clean, my kitchen clean, all that. You just enter the water in here. It comes with a little pour cup, fill it up to the fill line. It has 3 different settings, light, medium, and high to clean, and the power light. Super simple, easy design, very sleek, very lightweight. I love that it has the quick release thing. You just pull that part down and the cord will come off. Yeah, super easy. You just push that in, and it stays. Super easy to set up. You just attach the handle, this part, and you're ready to go. It only takes about 20 seconds to heat up, so you're ready to go. It does a really good job of getting the surface level stains out. I will say for the carpet, at least, they're really stuck in grime and gunk in the carpet that have maybe been there a while, like the really deep stains. Probably not going to get it out with this. That you might need a super heavy duty steam cleaner. But this one works great for surface level, or if you're just spilled something, your kids, yourself, your animal tracks in dirt, whatever, you can take, a rag and get the wetness up and then go over with this and just pull all that out. I love that it doesn't use any harsh chemicals. I can literally steam clean my kitchen in a few seconds, heats up, ready to go, take a quick pass at it, and then let my kids walk in there 2 seconds later, and I don't have to worry about harsh chemicals or them ingesting anything or making sure they stay out because I just mopped and all the chemicals are everywhere. So I love that it's natural, fresh, it doesn't leave a weird smell or anything. Super easy, lightweight. Love that these are machine washable, so you don't have to go buy a ton of those like throwaway pads. Super easy. Yeah, really cool. And I will link where to purchase this. Toppin was very generous enough to give my followers and anyone a 15% code using Amelia15 off their entire website. I will give a link down below, as well as you can purchase on Amazon. I will link that. I actually have a full blog review on both of the products I'm about to talk about. I will link below as well. So like I said, super easy. It's under $50, so really good deal. And it comes with, like I said, 2 of the pads. You can clean your kitchen safely and not have to worry about it. Second product they sent me to talk about is the air purifier. So this one is the Comfy Air C2 air purifier. So it's the bigger model they have. They also have a smaller model if you don't need something quite this size. My favorite feature is it's 360 degrees of air purifying. So it has the vents on all of the entire side, so you can set it in the center of your room and be good to go. The filter's super easy. You just twist off the bottom, pull the filter out, oof, so you can see all the dust it collected, and then pop it back on. Super easy, you're ready to go. The cord's very discreet. It just kind of inserts right in here, so it lays flush still. The top display is very sleek. Love the design. The aesthetics of it all is very pleasing. It actually has timers, so you can do 4, 6, 8 hours or continuous run. I just leave it on continuous. It also has where you can turn off the display, like for nighttime. I usually leave it on. For me, it doesn't bother me. It's not that bright, and I leave it on the top of my tall dresser. The fan has 3 different settings, so a low, medium, and a high. The high is loud, but I don't mind it. I actually kind of use it as like a white noise machine too, so it's actually very soothing. I don't really notice it during the day, but at night, some people might think it could be a little too loud, but then you could just put it on the lower setting, does the same, you know, effect, just it's a little quieter. I also, and I love that this thing actually works. I've tried a ton of air purifiers in our house. We have air purifiers all over our house, and I love that this one works so well. It's, like I said, it's aesthetically pleasing, and I actually, one day I had unplugged it for whatever reason, and my husband actually noticed that our room, he was like, why all of a sudden is it stuffy? Like, why is this not, like, why is our room like just kind of doesn't feel very as fresh? And it dawned on me that I was like, oh, I unplugged the air purifier, plugged it back in. Within 30 minutes, he was like, oh, this is so much better. Like, what did you do? And so I told him it was the air purifier that I got. So it actually truly does work. We love it. We notice a difference when it's unplugged. It's not as fresh in the room. It's not as like clean smelling. It will get out all the pollutants in the room, smoke odors, cooking odors if you want to use it in your kitchen or living space. Yeah, it gets out all sorts of stuff. I love it. Like I said, I think this one is $79 with the 15% off, be even cheaper. I will link that one. Yeah, and they also have a smaller one if you don't need quite as big of one for your space. So I love both these products. They have definitely made my home a little more naturally clean and fresh. And if you want to snag yours, I will link it below and you can get yours too. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.